akwala si o se obekọ college o se onkofa guarantor no meji loan sa guarantor no okofa ne he so you see there will be a poor person that wants to go to the college and woman allowance and kodebeko but also on beji loan with a guarantor only guarantor into be cut fie. That is not a solution for the poor. Ni nyina ye a way of so separating the poor from the rich and creating the platform for only the rich to be educated. Inti sa uba na unye opportunity be your mampani na u treat your mind say and the pay wo hofiti kwame nkroma bre so nko de uba say ni nyina free ho. It will be very difficult say ubetumi asa back. And let me tell you something because I don't see on this point. I find it very disrespectful. Very, very insulting to the people of Ghana. When the former president stands in front of us and say, vote for me to be president again, I won't cancel this. Vote for me to be president again, I will not touch this. Vote for me. Very insulting. Who did Ghana for him catch and say, oh, 2 billion cedis. I'm coming from free senior high school. And then you come back to us and come and tell us, say,
free senior high school in its current
form. Yeah, no. Wankasa, please. He didn't say that. Don't put your credibility on the line. The video is there. I can challenge you to play the video. I can challenge you. He didn't add. He never added. No, he never added that. Don't put your credibility on the line for him. Or say, if he had 2 billion cedis, he would not put it into free senior high school. I'm telling you. In fact, the closest he has said is that Uncle Benny can acquire basic education as a wide senior high school. That's your choice. In fact, he actually did that when he was president.